And breaking news on your screens now is a video that is in fact come out, which shows the Maharashtra Congress leader Narayan Rane's son Nitish Rane there throwing that dead fish, this at a government officer in a fit of rage. That is the visual there where he throws that fish at that official, and he even goes on to justify that move, and he says he will continue to do this. So is he drunk on power? Does he not believe that he needs to be accountable, that there are some basic standards of decency in public life? The video, remember viewers, is the answer.
हे मासे मी मारायला पाठवलं
तुझ्या परवानगीशिवाय जातात तुझ्या परवानगीशिवाय जातात मध्ये कशाला बोलतोस रे मग आता आम्ही करायचं काय रे करायचं काय ही अशी चुरमट वाटते लोकांच्या इथे आयुष्य उद्ध्वस्त होतात आम्ही करायचं काय उलटा कशाला बोलतो जे चुकायचं सुधारा ना मग त्याच्यावर पुढचं ठरवू ना हे आम्ही मारायला जातो असं बोलतो का उलट तू तुझं काम करत नाही म्हणून आम्हाला इथे येऊन बसायला लागतंय तुझं काम करायला लागतंय आम्हाला उद्या आम्ही कायदा हातात घ्यायचा आमच्यावर कारवाई होणार आणि तुम्ही काय इथे उपटणार बघ
him and taking law in your hands is going to solve the problem. This is what you think?
If for the rights of the fishermen, I will keep doing it over and over again. I do not have a problem if I am going to fight for the justice of the fishermen, justice for their livelihood, justice for the future. I do not have an issue of doing that. I am plainly telling you call me a gunda of anything. If fighting for the rights of poor fishermen is called gundaism, it is gundaism. What else can I do?
So you don't regret about what you did?
Absolutely not. I will do it over and over again if they do not get their acts right. If they do not support those poor fishermen.
But don't you think somewhere by doing this, you're also motivating or urging the local fishermen who are protesting over there to take such things, in fact, to take law in their own hands?
Why don't you go and speak to the particular bureaucrat, a particular officer? Why were we compelled to do that on him? If he would have done his duty right, if he would have followed the government orders, if he would have followed the government GR, today me and everyone else didn't have to do that also. If he is not going to do his job, someone has to remind him that he needs to do his job properly. That's
by throwing a fish or assaulting him.
Well, if he is not going to understand through words, action is the only thing that we are left with.
Action can also be like you could have complained to the higher officials. You can directly go to the commissioner. You would have spoken to the government.
We have done that.
So you think like throwing a fish at this assistant commissioner will solve all your problems now?
Eventually, if every rule or every action in the rule book has already been finished, so we are only left with the last page, and that is what we did. We had no other option, but we were trying to make him understand because either you take action on these personal fishermen who are doing illegal fishing. They are not, there is a certain government GR they are not following. We are asking them to take action according to the rule book of the Maharashtra government. If they are not going to listen, we have no other option, and we are happy. And we are proud that we did something to those kind of people because that will set example for the other people, and they will not be encouraged in the wrong way.